Rooibos is a herbal tea grown only in South Africa's Western Cape region. 20,000 tons were produced in 2023, of which 350 tons made its way to China at a very high cost.
We had quite a few challenges the past year, perhaps a bit longer, with specifically with the duties that were, raised to about 30% more or less. And then we had a number of other challenges with the HS codes and so forth. It's definitely had a serious impact with the number of producers that couldn't export to China because we had all these challenges.
China has significantly slashed duties on the back of talks to boost agricultural trade at last year's BRICS summit in Johannesburg.
It's obviously very good news for us with the changes of the, the duties that's been lowered to about 7%. It will definitely help us to, number one, sustain our business. We will retain jobs in South Africa, which is always a very important thing, especially in the current situation with the economy.
China has a large population, thriving tea market, and we think that Rooibos is refreshing, high quality, and it's one of those products that is also perceived to be much healthier. And I think that we will likely see the volumes out of South Africa going to China increasing. It will stimulate production within South Africa to say, can we produce more tea and increase from the 20,000 tons that perhaps we produced in 2023.
South Africa is reaping the benefits since the high-level BRICS meeting. Locally produced avos were granted entry into China shortly after the summit. It's hoping for similar gains across the expanded grouping.
We hope now that going forward, other BRICS countries, the likes of India, may also lower some of the import tariffs and clear non-tariff barriers. Because if you think about the BRICS countries, the original BRICS countries, they are a big agricultural market. Together, they import about $320 billion worth of agricultural products.
South Africa exports only about $12.8 billion worth of agricultural produce to the BRICS nations. A boost in exports to China will help grow that, and South Africa can work towards a more balanced trade basket. Julie Shara, CGTN, Cape Town, South Africa.